Hi there. Welcome and thanks for tuning in. My name is Travis Steele. Here at Red Hat, I work within our field CTO organization supporting the public sector, specifically focused on the DoD, serving as a chief architect. I am also joined by solution architect Arian Salgado, who also focuses on the DoD. Hi, Arian.
Hello, everyone, and hello, Travis. I'm very glad to be here today talking about software factory modernization strategies, and I'm really looking forward to this conversation.
Great. Okay, everyone. Are you ready to dive into the world of modernizing defense software factories? Look, we all know software factories and DevSec Ops are not new concepts. In fact, for as long as those concepts and frameworks have been around, there have been individuals and teams throughout DoD agencies that have been working on and contributing to them. Many soldiers, airmen, sailors, guardians, and civilians have been successfully paving the way in DoD for a number of years. Red Hat has also been leading the way on DevSec Ops processes and tools for a number of customers across commercial industries, including financial services, healthcare, telecommunications, and the broader IT industry. Additionally, we continue to work and collaborate with two of the DoD's premier DevSec Ops service providers, including the Department of the Air Force's Platform One, also known as P1, and the U.S. Navy's Overmatch Software Armory, or OSA. Both P1 and OSA are cornerstones of DoD's combined effort to deliver capabilities to the warfighter faster with a security-first approach. In today's tech-driven landscape, especially in defense, staying ahead in the realm of DevSec Ops is a critical enabler to achieving the agility and speed that's necessary to quickly respond to rapidly changing requirements. Moreover, keeping pace with the evolving technologies and threats is paramount when it comes to fortifying applications and weaving security seamlessly into your development pipelines. During this 5-part video series, we're going to explore a wide range of topics that delve into the intricacies of modern defense software factories, from cutting-edge technologies to strategic approaches. Arian, there are a lot of directions that we could take this conversation, but top of mind topics for me are having a holistic modernization strategy, cloud and data-centric approaches, open source collaboration, secure supply chain, and automation for efficiency. What do you think, Arian?
Well, I think you're dead on. I think these are great topics for us to talk about. Each topic aligns very well with DoD policies and prioritizations like digital modernization strategy, DevSecOps reference design, cloud strategy, and the software modernization strategy, amongst others. Each are seeking to enhance capabilities within the DoD to address the evolving challenges of a digital landscape, to include the ever important interoperability. Additionally, these are areas that Red Hat has a very deep understanding of and experience with, well, both in the commercial and public sector.
That's a really great point, Arian. One can definitely see there is a concerted focus across all of DoD agencies that points to the urgency of need, as well as the public-private collaboration desired to leverage mindshare across communities of interest to enable continuous modernization. All right, everyone, buckle up for an exciting journey into the future of modernizing defense software factories and activities. I hope you'll join us. Let's unravel these key topics together.